Hi, hello, good morning. So in this video, we are going to discussing about the what is the credit rating system, how the governments will enhance and the how it will taking to the corporate or firms or stock markets, how they are making this process to complete and follow the credit ratings into the works. So let us all get into the video. The first slide will be what is the credit rating? The credit rating is nothing but it is a formal entity of associations. It's going to be making assessment of credit worthiness or ability to repay borrowed funds and evaluated by a credit rating agencies. Okay, which is doing by credit rating agencies for purpose of the ability to repay the borrowed funds because I'm the firm owner. I'm taking funds from bank like as maturities of the 10 lakhs or a one seat. The government or a bank suggests to me the repay the amount of this the particular amounts on particular date. But if I fail to repay the amount on the due date, which is which is mean that the credit rating is going to be reduce the points for my borrowed funds. So which is denoted by the credit rating. So which is given by the credit rating agency. So that is called the credit rating. This rating is based on the analysis of entity, the financial stability, economic status, the credit history, and the risk of default. So these are the basic concepts about the credit rating system, which is oftenly assessed by the credit rating agency. Some meanings already I have mentioned that it is going to be the financial sectors making this process to lending amount to the particular firm. The investors also, the stakeholders also use this terminology to getting fund. The reliability of governments, the corporations, and then the financial products like bonds. Uh, they range from high grades triple A, double A, which is a mark of for the providing the fund to the required persons, the indicating the low risk to low grades of BBCC, suggesting it's going to be higher risk. Individual consumer also have credit scores such as FICO, which have served the similar purpose. So the credit rating is nothing but it's going to be assess the credit worthiness of an organization and country, then instruments. The credit scoring is nothing but it's going to be represent in numerical way. Okay, the score which is different, which is a primary of corporations and governments, but it does also apply for applying to individual owners, consumers, a small business providers which is given by the who are Moody's and Rich, these are some kind of associations issued by the credit bureaus such as Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. The purpose of the helping the investors evaluate the risk before the purchasing bonds or shares or loans. It's given by assessing the credit worthiness for the consumer, lending and mortgages. The frequency of updations are typically renewed by periodically needed or bond issuance, then updated monthly or new credit information reported. Which is the next importance? Importance is nothing but is going to be first thing assessing the credit worthiness. Second one is enhancing investor confidence, then determining interest rates, then facilitating marketing transparency, then aiding regulatory compliance, and supporting capital rising for companies, and then influencing investment decisions, then helping risk management, then impact of economic stability. They might be guiding policies and the financial institutions. So these are the common things we were ensuring, which is the things happen because the regulation is going to be different for bankings. So one kind of regulations followed, stock markets one kind of regulations have followed. Companies and the factories have followed different range of credit scores and also their guidelines also, which is different from one from one. right? So these are things very important points we have discussed or studies in this subject area. So mentioned bank the credit ratings in financial market, which is very important solution because now the peoples are making them get awareness, proper guidance from stockbroking agencies, then also trading their shares in perfect manner. So they should need these things. What are the credit rating? Uh, when they have the how it will proceed. So these are things which is very important. Thank you so much for thank you so much for listening this video to understand what about the credit rating. Thank you so much.